you say you kiss the ground I walk on? I ought to be killed. I'm so tired, Kostya. If only I could just rest. Rest. I am the seagull. No, that's not it. I am an actress. That doesn't matter. So he's here too? Doesn't matter. He never believed in the theater. He laughed at my dreams. And little by little, I stopped believing myself. I lost heart. And always the strains of love and jealousy and constant fears for the child. I became trivial and commonplace. I didn't know what to do with my hands or move properly. I couldn't control my voice. I acted without thinking or feeling. You can't imagine what it's like to know that you're acting badly. I am the seagull. Do you remember that seagull you shot? You laid it at my feet.